it's Cherie with Culver Family Outdoors. So Blake and I, when we moved to Junction 2 years ago, wanted to do a garden, but a lot happened within that year and we never were able to do it. And for most of y'all that know, we're going to be moving in about 6 months, and so we were trying to hold off to do our garden when we move at the new place, but being the way it is right now, with lack of food and not being able to get to the stores very often and us living so far out, we decided it was probably best to go ahead and start a garden now. So we followed this guy, it's Arms Family Homestead on YouTube, and he was showing us how to do self-wicking gardening. So we have a bunch of cow lick tubs that were empty, and Cheryl, the owner, is going to bring us some more today. And so we decided to run to town and grab anything and everything that we could that was there, which is not much, and go ahead and make some self-wicking tubs of our own. So that's what we did today. We had a really good time, showed the kids a lot of fun things. And if you look in the description or the link up above, that is the man who we got this wonderful idea from. So hope you enjoyed this.
Totally.
Yeah! Okay, so we went and got some dirt out on the ranch and some cow poo, kind of made our own natural fertilizer, and we have some potting soil here. So the guy that we got this whole idea from is Arms Family Homestead. He said to use your own fertilizer with potting soil, but we also need some good minerals to help feed the plants every day. So our local store did not have any, so we ordered some on Amazon. We're gonna go ahead and put our plants together and have it all ready to go. And then as soon as our sea minerals get here and our Sustain fertilizer, we will start adding those in every single day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this potting soil to our mix, and then we'll go and start working on our pots.
Our pots?
Our pots!
Hey, you said cow manure.
I said cow? I said our. Did I say cow manure?
Yes.
Yeah. Some cow poo. Dang. Some good old deer poo right here. Okay, so one thing that the guy said on Arms Family Homestead is to use commercial grade landscaping sheets, which we don't have. We had some peanut packaging, which was almost identical to the landscaping sheets, but after cutting around all the seams and putting them in our tubs, they were not big enough. They were too shallow. So we are having to use shea cloth, which is something that we put on all of our fences around here when we run the deer up to the barn. So depending on the size of your bucket will obviously depend on how big you want your cloth to be. You just want to make sure that when you tuck that thing around, the cloth is still up against the walls and no soil can get around that fabric to get down below. So that's our goal.
Fix it, Mama.
Okay. This is what we got. Woo! Way easier to cut than that stinking peanut.
Let's see if it fits.
Fabric.
Will it fit?
Yeah, much better. Okay, so I've got my tubing at the bottom. I've got my shea cloth wrapped around it, and then I put my potting soil and fertilizer in there really good. So like I said, we didn't get a whole ton. quite a few herbs and stuff, but not a lot of vegetables. They didn't have much. So hopefully next week when they get a shipment, we will be able to get more lettuce, broccoli, onions, carrots. There's a whole bunch of other stuff. Big tomato plants that we'd like to start planting. So this is just the beginning, and hopefully it will work out. Okay, so I have this one already. We decided we're gonna put 2 basil plants and 2 cilantro plants in this one. So I'm just gonna cut this
Basil
excess.
plant.
Basil.
Basil plant.
Basil. So we're just gonna dig little holes. Dig a little hole.
Dig a little hole. Dig a little hole.
Bigger than that, baby.
Dig a little hole. Dig a little.
Okay, right about there. All right. Take this out.
Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna squeeze it like that.
Oh gosh. Oh.
Whatever. Look, and we want to kind of like break it up like that. Hang on. I'll show you how to do this one. Break it up. And then pack it down just like that. That's a big one.
What are basil plants for?
Basil, it's an herb that you season your food with. You can put it on pizza. Yeah. All right. So we got this planted. Now we're going to add some water through this PVC pipe, which will go straight down to the bottom, and that'll help self-wick the plant. Good job.